For years, the former president of the Philippines, Rodrigo Duterte, waged a brutal, violent war on drugs. This week, he was arrested on charges of crimes against humanity by the International Criminal Court. Here's how we got here. So Duterte was a right-wing populist whose infamy really began back when he was the mayor of Davao City, where he was accused of maintaining death squads that killed drug dealers, drug users, and street children. When he was elected to president in 2016, he promptly launched a countrywide war on drugs, publicly stating that he would kill suspected drug dealers, as well as urging the public to kill addicts. Rights groups say that as many as 30,000 civilians were killed, many of them young men from poor urban areas who were gunned down in the street or in their homes by police. The officers regularly claimed they were acting in self-defense, but witnesses have frequently stated that victims were unarmed and some of the deceased were shot in the back of the head. Duterte continues to deny authorizing any extrajudicial killings, but during a Senate hearing last year, he did admit to ordering officers to encourage victims to fight back in order to justify shooting them in self-defense. He also admitted to keeping a death squad of criminals that he forced to go kill others back when he was mayor. Although Duterte continued to be a popular leader in the Philippines throughout his term, international alarm around his war on drugs began to grow, and the International Criminal Court launched an investigation in 2021. His presidency ended the next year, and Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos, who is actually the son of the former dictator of the Philippines, became president, with Duterte's daughter, Sara, as VP. At first, Marcos refused to cooperate with that ICC investigation, but that seemingly changed when a feud broke out between him and Sara Duterte, and she was eventually impeached. In 2024, the Filipino Parliament also launched several investigations into Rodrigo Duterte's war on drugs, and during the Senate hearing, the now 79-year-old said that he makes no apologies, no excuses, saying, "I did what I had to do, and whether you believe it or not, I did it for my country." This brings us to Tuesday, where Duterte was apprehended at Manila Airport after the ICC officially issued a warrant for his arrest, which was carried out by Interpol. He told the officers, "If I've committed a sin, prosecute me in the Philippine courts." But by 11 p.m, he was on a flight to The Hague in the Netherlands, where the International Criminal Court is based. President Marcos has denied actively helping the ICC, but he did say he was confident that the arrest was proper, correct, and followed all necessary legal procedures.